As you guys see on the title, we're bringing you guys a DIY.
Building our own shit.
Literally.
Well, I'm not saying building because that would be, we're putting together our own shit.
Yeah, we're putting together our own stuff. This is part one. It's going to be major parts because as you guys know, in our previous vlog I came out, we was telling you guys our TV stand was coming. So it's finally here. It's like a hella boxes back there.
There's 7 boxes.
7 boxes.
I already opened one box because I wanted to see what the fuck it was.
JC already being nosy.
This is box 1, already open.
Address is on the box.
They can't see my.
If you guys like this type of videos, make sure you just comment down below and we'll give you more videos of us building because we always be Bob the Builder over here, guys. But before we get into the video, what we always say is
Subscribe on the gang, you know we went over here, we're fucking 20K.
Up to 20K, guys. Make sure you tell friends to subscribe to jdempire. And if you're watching and you're not subscribed, that's grimy.
Your hoe.
Your mom should slap you because that's so grimy. Why are you watching us and you're not subscribed? Like, it only takes 1 second, literally. So subscribe to jdempire because we're going up and we're about to run these videos up for y'all.
Hoe ass nigga, stop being hoes.
So we have to open this box, guys.
What are you doing?
We have to open it, Papas. Where's the scissors? Where's the box cutter when we need a box cutter? I don't like building.
They can see you. They can't see my motherfucking face. I look like Wizard Kelly off of the Proud Family. Oh my god. What was the point? Ouch. That's your fucking ass head. What was the point of me cutting this shit open like this?
Because I
didn't want to make a mess.
And fancy and shit. Okay. See, the thing about IKEA, they don't have instructions.
They got instructions.
You have to use pictures. Like, that's not instructions for
you. They got instructions.
I don't look at instructions. You see, gonna do this bookshelf first, bad as hell.
Yeah, it's easy because we got a whole bunch of shit to put in the bookshelf already.
We do. We got tons of stuff. You about to get packages on packages. Ooh, packages on packages on packages. Okay, so.
Still one more piece.
This is a piece?
Yes.
Oh. I'm gonna throw this out.
Oh my gosh. I would be like, babe, you know where this piece is at? What piece?
Whole tub is in the garbage.
Whatever you say, honey.
What's the first thing? You need this? Okay. I got the right one, guys. Yeah, I got the right too. Is it this one for sure?
Yeah.
How you know?
Because I need this one and I need that one. No.
So you just need one for now, you need 2?
Oh, one for now.
What you gotta do? What you want me to do? You want me to get the screws? You want me to organize the screws? I can do that.
Yes, please. It's my little helper, guys.
I can do that!
I'm so fucking happy.
Just he don't let me help with anything. So when he tells me to help, I get so excited to help. Because it's like, I have to do this stuff because I have a man.
That ain't no fucking excuse,
When you have a man,
shut the fuck up.
they do all the heavy lifting, right? Right? Right or wrong?
Can you give me the brown, the gray screws?
This one?
Yeah, I need about 8 of them shits.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. JC dropping stuff. These are all the tools that I organized for JC with the bookshelf. And this is what I mean, guys, that they don't give you instructions. They give you pictures. Right, babe?
These are some great pictures, though.
They great? They oh, you being sarcastic.
Fucking terrible pictures. I don't know what the fuck is what.
Alrighty, guys, so JC's about to do the other one, which is right there.
Oh, you mixed up some of the screws.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Is it this?
Yeah, it's the flat screws like that. 8 of them shits.
So these ones is you need, right?
Yeah, 8 of them shits.
So I'm about to give it to JC. And then I'm gonna sit y'all back up. So 1 second. Here you go. DIY project with the jdempire. And she just sitting here.
Yeah, when I tell you they really don't show you shit on here, it be blowing mine. I hate stupid ass pictures, bro.
I thought you were about to say I hate stupid ass people. I'm like, damn, that's how you feel?
Stupid ass pictures. Cause like, why is it not showing me which one to put with her?
Babe, you smart. Use your brain. Look, guys, this is the bookshelf. Part 1 of the bookshelf.
God damn.
Damn, this shit tall as hell. It's gonna go over there. You guys need to watch our other vlogs to see.
I hope it don't touch the firewall.
It's not. Alrighty, guys. So I recorded off the phone because the camera had died. But JC is finishing doing what he need to do. He don't want me to help him no more. He told me to get out the way. So. You were thinking that, so I just decided to just sit down in his chair and just be the lovely cheerleader and, you know, just watch him. But I'm actually helping because I have stuff in my hand that he needs. So I'm not being lazy. So nobody cover my case, please. Thank you.
Well, guys, I was gonna wait for Shay to get off work so we can finish this together since we just started together. It's a couples thing, you feel me? I wanted to finish it with her, but I just got 2 drawers left. There's not much to finish. I was also supposed to go to my parents' house and get a step ladder, but I never got that either. I'm fucking lazy. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's the bookshelf right there. I finished it while she was at work because it'll be faster that way. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, join the gang. You know we lit over here, road to 20K. Oh shit, come on, focus. We'll see you in part 2 when we finish this stuff right here.
Bye, have a beautiful time.